Now that you've received your receipt notice, we wanted to explain what some of the information on the receipt notice means. So you'll see that it says at the top right, Form I-797C, Notice of Action, and it says notice type is receipt. So this is your receipt notice. The next thing you should know is case type. So it usually goes by a form number. In this case, it's the Form I-130, Petition for Alien Relative. So the form number will be related to the type of application you filed. Then the significant piece of information is your receipt number. So to follow up on your case, anytime you make a phone call or inquiry, you always have to have your receipt notice. And the receipt notice starts typically with 3 letters. Here, the receipt notice starts with WAC, and then there's a series of numbers. Then, over here, you have your receipt date. This one says May 8th, 2017, and that's the receipt date. That's the date that the Immigration Service received your application. And finally, the critical piece of information, if you wanted to follow up or check processing times, is where is your case located now? So you would look at USCIS office address, and this is where your application is. And it's this one says California Service Center. It could say Texas Service Center, Vermont Service Center, or it could also be a field office. If you look at down here what we wrote, if a field office is the National Benefit Center and you have filed the Form I-45, you can check the processing times for your local field office. So in our next video, we will explain how to check processing times, and you'll need this information on your receipt notice to check your processing times.